Hi, to enter recovery mode on your POCO F6, as a first step, take a look at its right side. Here you would find the power button and volume up buttons, which we need to press and hold so we could see this power off menu. Now swipe up to power off your phone, and after that you would need to hold power and volume up buttons again at the same time till you see the POCO's logo appears on the screen. And after that you can release the power button like that, but continue holding the volume up button. And just in a couple of seconds you will see this recovery mode. So here, to scroll through the menu, you can use volume down or volume up buttons, and to confirm your choice, press the power button. So now we got these three options. You can select wipe data if you wanna erase all of the data on your phone and simply perform factory reset, but you forgot your password, so this recovery mode will help you. You can select option to wipe data and you won't need to enter the phone's password. And now let's reboot it. For that, I'm gonna volume up to go in the reboot option and confirm the choice by pressing the power button, and here I would select to reboot to system. Now the phone will turn off, and just in a couple of seconds you will see the POCO's logo again like that, and it will turn on and you'll be able to use it as you would normally do. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.